Here's an example of how to fish nymphs in fast water and pocket water on a mountain stream. The hard part about nymph fishing in this type of water is maintaining a natural drift. A good way to do that is by high sticking your line and holding your fly line off the water. Here's my target area at the end of the drift.
Now here we go. I'm lifting it up. I'm going to fish this pocket. Keep my line up off for water. Try to get a drift. Then I'm getting it to swing in behind that rock. Oh, that one got hung. And let it sit there when it gets to the end. Lift it a little and let it back down. Now this time I'm going to let it out just a little bit. Oh, fish on right there. There you go. That's how you do it right there. He's not very big. You see, that fish was right behind that rock. Boy, he's a monster. Woo! Monster fish.